Are you an attorney that just recently realized, I can work remotely, I don't need all that office space, it's a waste of money? I know, we were there. I'm Sheila Lasavita, president of Four Corners Deposition Summaries, and we did the same thing. We are 95% remote workers, and we implemented this years ago when we realized hardly anyone is coming into the office to have meetings, but we do still have that space and the state-of-the-art conference rooms. If you've ever been to our office, it's very impressive. We have all the amenities. We get our mail there, and we pay a fraction of what most firms pay for an entire suite or building. So that's our tip this week. Please check out my video of last week. We gave some tips on some apps for remote working, and stay tuned for the next video. We will be talking about how trial lawyers can save time and money while they prepare for trial.